And now I'm gonna finish putting the oil in here. Make sure that you're gonna get the correct amount. Throw our cap on. Make sure you put that back on to start your car. Only reason why you start the car is you gotta get oil throughout the motor and through the filter. So you don't need to run it for a long time, just enough to get the oil circulated around so you can get a proper reading on the dipstick. Alright. Our dipstick is located right here. Get a clean piece of paper towel. First time, wipe it off. Take a look at it. We're gonna put a little bit more in there. Now if you add oil, you don't need to start it because oil is already an oil filter. It's going to go down to the crankcase and you'll be fine. Give you a good reading. Now you can look at that there, and we are right here. We are set to go. If you have any questions, comment below. But this oil change is done and ready to go. Thanks.